My name is Richard and this is the Art of R&K. This time I'm gonna show you our wall world map decoration in our living room. The first step is to paint the wall. I decided to use chocolate brown paint with the combination of gold world map. In this wall, I'm gonna store all precious memories from our travels, adventures, and of course, our romantic love story. Step 2. Take up the cardboard pieces. I can say in this part, you must have the love and tender care. And then assemble it on the floor to avoid mistakes. Step 3. It's time to stick on. Step 4. Print out of your photos. Step 5. Put your photos in the photo frame and then hang it. And this is it. I hope you love it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Always remember, yes you can.